Welcome to my channel, Maths for 6th class students, lines. So, first concurrent lines. Two or more coplanar lines intersecting at a point, then the lines are called concurrent lines. See, this is a line L1 and this is another line L2. They are meeting at a point O. They are intersecting lines, intersecting at a point O. These two are called concurrent lines. If there is another line also passing through the same line, same point, then the three lines are said to be concurrent. Thus, two or more lines meeting at a point, then they are called concurrent lines. Next, parallel lines. Two coplanar lines which are not meeting at any point are called parallel lines. Suppose L1 is a line and L2 is another line. They are never meeting at any point. Then these two are called parallel lines. So the distance between any two parallel lines is constant at anywhere, or the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines at any point is same. So they are called parallel lines. Two coplanar lines never meet at any point are parallel lines. The perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same at any point. For example, if these two lines are parallel to each other, the distance between them at any point is constant, same distance. They never meet. That is the first point. Next, two lines perpendicular to a given line are parallel to each other. Suppose it is a line and two lines are perpendicular to each other. Suppose this is a line and two lines are perpendicular to this line. These two, L1 and L2 are perpendicular to the line L. Then the two lines are parallel to each other. If two lines are perpendicular to a given line, then those two lines are parallel to each other. Next, third point. If two lines are parallel to a third line, a given line, then the two lines are parallel to each other. That is, it is a given line and a line L1 is parallel to this line L, and again L2 is parallel to L. So L1 and L2 are separately parallel to a given line L. Then the two lines are parallel to each other. That is the third point. There is only one line that can be drawn through a point P and parallel to a line. So this is a line and a point which is not lying on the line P, and only one line can be drawn through this point and parallel to the given line. So only one line can be drawn parallel to a given line and passing through a point which is not lying on the line. That is the property of parallel lines. Next, transversal. Transversal is a line which intersects two different lines at two different points. Two lines and another line is intersecting the two lines at two distinct points, and this is called the transversal. Transversal is a line which intersects two lines. They may not be parallel to each other. Two lines at two distinct points. This line is intersecting this line at this point and intersecting this line at this point. These two are different, distinct points. Such a line is called the transversal. So, when two lines are intersecting by a line at two distinct points, then 8 angles are formed. For example, this is one angle, this is another angle, this is one and this is one. 1, 2, 3 and 4 angles are formed here. This is line L1 and this is line L2. It is a point, say A, and let this point be B, and this angle is angle 5, this is 6 and this is 7 and this is 8. So altogether 8 angles are formed when two lines are intersected by a transversal. And here angles 1, 2, 7, 8 are called exterior angles because these 4 angles are outside the lines L1 and L2 because 1 and 2 are outside L1, 7 and 8 are outside L2. Therefore, angles 1, 2, 7 and 8 are called exterior angles. Whereas angles 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Angles 3, 4, 5 and 6 are called interior angles because these 4 angles lie between the lines L1 and L2. So inside the lines L1 and L2, therefore they are called interior angles, and the angles lying outside of the two lines are called exterior angles. And angles 1 and 7 are alternate exterior angles. Alternate because 1 is lying on the left side of the transversal and 7 is lying on the opposite side, right side of the transversal. Therefore, they are called the alternate exterior angles. So, angles 1 and 7 are called the alternate exterior angles. So 1 and 7 are a pair of alternate exterior angles, and 2 and 8 are also a pair of alternate exterior angles. Similarly, 4 and 6 are alternate interior angles, and 3 and 5 are another set of alternate interior angles. They are alternate because they are on either side of the transversal, and these two are interior angles. Therefore, 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Similarly, 4 and 6 lie on either side of the transversal and interior angles. Therefore, 4 and 6 are another set of alternate interior angles. Alternate 2 and 8. Okay, these are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. 4 and 6. 4 and 6, another set is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And 4 and 6. Next, corresponding angles. Angles 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. A set of corresponding angles because they are lying on the same side of the transversal, left side of the transversal and above the given lines. And this is above L1 and this is above L2. Therefore, 1 and 5 are the corresponding angles. So 1 and 5, 1 comma 5 are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Similarly, 2 and 6 are another set of corresponding angles. They are on the right side of the transversal, on the same side of the transversal and above the lines. 2 is above L1 and 6 is above L2. Therefore, another set of corresponding angles are 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And 4 and 8. 4, 8 are also a set of corresponding angles. And also 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are also corresponding angles. So altogether there are 4 sets of corresponding angles. Next, here the line L1 and the transversal both are intersecting at point A. Therefore, 4 angles are formed, and angles 1 and 3 are opposite. They are called vertically opposite angles. 1 and 3. Angles 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, 2 and 4, angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Again at this point B, this line transversal and L2 are intersecting at B. Therefore, the opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle 5 and angle 7 are vertically opposite angles, and angle 6 and angle 8 are another set of vertically opposite angles. Therefore, altogether 4 sets of vertically opposite angles, that is angle 1 and angle 3, angle 2 and angle 4, angle 5 and angle 7, angle 6 and angle 8. These are vertically opposite angles. So now if L1 and L2 are parallel to each other, here I said L1 and L2 are not parallel or may not be parallel. Now if L1 and L2 are parallel to each other, that is L1 is parallel to L2, L1 is parallel to L2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 2 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8 and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. They are the corresponding angles, and alternate interior angles are equal. So these are alternate interior angles. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. This is when the L1 is parallel to L2. Next, alternate exterior angles are equal. That is 1 and 7. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. They are angle 1 and angle 7. So they are equal. Also, angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Exterior angles on the same side of the transversal or supplementary. Exterior angles on the same side of the transversal, that is angle 2 and angle 7. These two are exterior angles and lying on the same side. Therefore, they are supplementary. That means the sum of those two is equal to 180 degrees. Exterior angles lying on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Similarly, 3 and 6. So similarly, angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180, or 2 and 7, angles 2 and 7 are supplementary. Similarly, angle 1 and 8 are also supplementary. Angle 1 and angle 8. These two are one set and these two are one set. They are supplementary angles. That means sum of the two is 180 degrees. Similarly, angles lying on the same side of the interior angles lying on the same side of supplementary. That is angle 4 and angle 5 are supplementary angles. That is sum of those two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle 4 and angle 5 are supplementary. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 6 are supplementary. So interior angles lying on the same side of the transversal. Transversal and 3 and 6 are on the same side. Therefore, these two are supplementary. And 4, 5 are lying on the same side and these two are supplementary. So when two lines are parallel to each other and T is a transversal, and these are the properties.